The bone structure is the foundation of your face. Although this sounds obvious, most people perceive their skin as the key to maintaining a youthful appearance. This perception has generated billions of dollars in the sale of creams. In the medical cosmetic field, there has been much greater technological and surgical focus on different modalities for skin tightening. However, when you see a younger person, you don't think about how tight their skin looks. A younger person can have skin affected by a lot of sun exposure, and yet they still look young. The essence of a youthful appearance is in the proportionality of the facial bone structure, which has been well recognized in art and mathematics as the golden ratio. Your bone structure, particularly the cheekbones, the chin, and jaw angle, define the most prominent areas of projection in your face. If any or all of these areas were deficient due to genetics, aging, or a combination of both, as a surgeon, facial implants would have been the standard solution. The Y-lift, also more generally referred to as structural volumizing, is a specialized technique to place long-lasting hyaluronic acid fillers to enhance facial volume and definition comparable to facial implants without surgery. This is in contrast to more traditional or conventional filler placement that creates the stereotypical bloated and doughy face everyone recognizes as unnatural. This has been a major advancement in helping people who, in the earlier stage of facial aging, become aware that their skin appears to be sagging. Currently, the market is saturated with non-surgical devices to heat the skin and devices like barbed threads. Both of these technologies miss the mark where the actual deficiency is, which is the bone structure. As I mentioned earlier, traditional filler placement is just below the skin, or at the fat and soft tissue level, which isn't as stable as the bone structure. So these fillers migrate, resulting in a pillowy, stretched appearance that definitely doesn't look natural. I often see people in consultation who already have had these procedures without success. They are frequently surprised to see how I'm able to perform a procedure like Y-lift in less than 30 minutes and get much better results than they had with years of multiple sessions of fillers, threads, and skin heating. The results of structural volumizing can actually look like you've had a facelift without surgery. In fact, many of my patients who've had facelift 5 to 10 years prior, who are ready to consider another one, are surprised to see how they can restore their facial proportions non-surgically with structural volumizing. At the bone level, fillers can last a long time, typically up to 2 years, subject to some individual variation. Structural volumizing can be customized for only specific areas and combined with other aesthetic procedures, including lip fillers, neuromodulators, lasers, and PRP, so you can have a more balanced and naturally youthful appearance.